Social networks, these new interaction structures that are becoming faster every day, allowing the participation of more users and companies. Since 1990, they have been present on the internet, and a few people imagine that social networks would have an impact as great as they have achieved. Currently, they are an advantage for companies, since they allow greater visualization and interaction with the client, segmenting the public. That is why you should not think that all social networks are equal. They are classified according to the goal of users. Social network of relationships, focused on connecting people, for example Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Social entertainment network, the goal is to consume content, for example YouTube, Pinterest. Professional social networks, create professional relationships with other users. Disseminate projects and get employment, for example LinkedIn. Niche social networks, directed to a specific audience according to a common interest, for example TripAdvisor and Behance. Here we present some data with the most amazing novelties in this field of the digital world. There are 3,000 million active users in social networks. This number is equivalent to almost half of the Earth's population. The most used social networks are Facebook, YouTube and WhatsApp. Founded in 2004, there are currently more than 2 billion users on Facebook. They are the most trusted and have closer relations with each other. Millions of images are produced per day. It is the most used network by companies to promote themselves. Destined to use on the cell phone, on Instagram there are more than 3.5 million likes per day. The average time spent per day is 2 hours and 48 minutes. This network is the one with the highest rate of participation and interaction among users and brands. Since it was purchased by Facebook in 2012, it is possible to publish with various formats. On Twitter, more than 125 million hashtags are shared per day. 44% of users on Twitter have not published or tweeted. Use this network only to see the publications of the users that follow. In this network is where most of the memes are generated. Currently 280 characters are allowed per tweet. Each month on YouTube, 1.5 million users log in and most views come from mobile devices.